May gatas, wala, patay. Patay. Patay, no milk. Right. Mahal ka naman, mahal. Ay, 5 presto tayo. Gatas, may gatas. Lagi. Ito, di agad tayo. Mabal ang kurang tisalita. Ha? Pagkain mo na dyan ko. Ah.
Oh, the brand new one, huh?
Here's the baby cubs.
1 month, yeah.
And I use every day with milk, the one we use.
Yeah.
So I'm in charge this one every day, giving milk and maintaining the hygiene, nutrition, water, especially. So I separate the sick one.
Oh, the baby cows. Cubs. The baby cubs. And there's the baby cubs, the sick one. Different from the other healthy one.
The stool is very, stool is, and some little bit blood sticking. It goes amoebiasis from bacteria from the chicken, some chicken is coming up. So I'm using this salt powder for the water. So dehydrated. So but it survived, but it could not feel healthy.
Now,
You know they are sick, they are not active.
yeah.
You will see the calf is very healthy, the ears and the tail is.
Yeah.
You know that if you see the sick cow separated from the flock, it's sick. If you see, could not drink water or could not eat well, so it's already sick. This one is sick.
Now, are you going to be able to save this cow?
Yeah, I
Antibiotics?
already said because last time it's already had repeat and we could not eat. We have some drunk, so now a little bit because 3 weeks ago, see they survived.
Yes.
I think one day for this, I think he will die ready. But I gave him medicine, antibiotics, calcium, injectable, then powdered milk, then water to fix it.
Okay, now when you run in a dairy farm and you calve a bull or a male cow, what do? You sell that for meat? Or-
Yeah, those cows already, 15 years or 8 years, we could not give already milk, 2 liters only, so better to slaughter it or sold out,
Yeah.
or husband already delivered 9 times,
Yeah.
but it's already old, so we could, in the market, we will divide by it, or slaughter it ourselves.
Mhm.
So almost finished because it's already salted.
Come on.
I'm behind you.
Corn, young corn. So I put it to the outside to the bunker, another building. So I usually for 2 months preparation for dry season, which is no more gratis, dry season. So I use this to put a plastic bag, or plastic kapal. This one for sometimes 1 month or 2 months. You open it, the result is this one.
Okay.
And it's very good for milk because of the odor and the composition of the milk. This is the benefit of the one this is the milk. And this is the kind of the pregnant cow.
Yeah.
All these are pregnant.
Yeah, all this is a pregnant cow.
Yeah.
Buntis na baka.
You're gonna have quite a,
They're beautiful.
yeah.
They are beautiful buntis na baka.
You know you could see that they are already big.
Oh, yeah.
So maybe next week or 2 weeks,
Yeah.
she will give birth. Already separated. So some are 1 month, 2 months, until 9 months.
9 months.
9 months pregnancy. They will deliver.
Murag tao di ay 9 months.
Oh. Afterwards, we will take their milk. This one day, the cup will be already taken,
Yeah.
so that they will not take the milk whole. No, we'll separate them. Then colostrum is 24 hours. Colostrum will take out, then put it in the biberon and for 21 hours, so that it's necessary for the cup to take colostrum. Because if we don't take colostrum, we will sip the colostrum, the cup will die afterwards. It's very important. This yellowish fresh milk,
Yeah.
one day milk from the mother cow during the delivery.
Okay.
Others, they will plant it only in the field with the mother and the cow. It is not milking.
The dairy farmers, their biggest problem is all their silage land is being sold by blueberry farmers.
Yeah,
Because there's a lot more money in blueberries
Yeah,
than there
yeah.
are in
Oh.
the cattle.
cattle is
So-
very expensive, laborious.
Yeah, and blueberries 4 times a year,
Yeah.
you know, you can, yeah, no, it's really sad, because, you know, there's families been farming for, 5, 6, 7 generations. They can't do it.
So, for example, no brother would, afterwards I'm already old, no one like this kind of work.
Yeah,
And paralyzed, will stop because the one who is very committed, passionate, doesn't like to work here because it is dirty work.
yeah,
But I like farming, that's why it's still for how many years I'm committed. No, I don't like that it will stop because it is very good for the small children, for it's competition for the soft drinks.
yeah,
Milk, the soft drink is milk.
yeah.
I have no problem with marketing because there's a religious school. No? School for the religious one. So I could deliver the milk within the religious canteens, no? Stores, also Indian, like milk.
So how long in between, say you give birth, next week, how long is it until you could
So
bring them
during,
again?
during after 21 days, they have become hit already.
Yeah,
Hit. No?
yeah.
Mother will hit after 21 days to give birth.
21 days.
21.
And she could get pregnant again in 3 weeks.
Oh, if you are good.
Yeah,
Because you will know that it's already hit because the bull will, the other bull will.
oh yeah,
You know already
Okay.
it's heated. So we have bull, we have also artificial insemination.
yeah.
I have the salt or send it and put it in my room. And if you like artificial insemination, I have one bull with it.
So you have one bull.
Oh, one bull with it. The one, this one is one bull already. It's 25.
Yeah,
Only one bull. It is 21, 20. It's expensive, one bowl 20 cow.
You heard that?
Yeah,
One bowl, 20 pounds.
it's a play ball. It's a play ball. Now you know how when the playboy come.
There's no problem because I am the one feeding him.
Yeah.